Yep, I've been gone for a bit, but it's gonna be worth it, guys, I swear, because we have my favorite set right here. This is my favorite set, Fallout, which I can't really afford the actual boosters because I stopped making them, so I got the collected boosters and something special. I mean, you may be wondering why it's so special, Bean Man? Well, because this is the birthday special. Yep, that's right. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay. Ooh, boom shakalaka. I mean, these cards must be worth more because, I stopped, making, cards. I stopped making this shit. And a collector booster box thing, it's gonna cost you $1,000. And I don't really got that money unless you guys subscribe. Once 100 subscribers, I will do the Brazilian Luffy gas things, guys, I swear. With an added bonus of a stream, I guess, But, it's you guys. It's for you guys to decide if you want the Brazilian Luffy dance or not. Ooh, that one actually looks awesome. I don't even know what that is. Alright, cool. Alright. So. Oh wait, we're not done. Who made you think? Assassin's Creed. And I want to let you know that there is no goal for today's episode. Okay, my hands are a little sweaty, but I know I'm unathletic, guys. Alright, cool. Go for the throw. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Anyways, happy birthday to me. Yeah, And please subscribe, guys. I kind of need this right now. I need this. Please.